Most investors only look for businesses that are already winning, but that's where you pay the highest prices. In 2026, the real money is being made by the turnaround specialists. These are investors who look for failing or distressed e-commerce stores that are down on their luck but still have signs of life. Think of it like fixer-upper real estate, but for the digital world. Why buy a store at a 4x multiple when you can buy a struggling one at a 1x multiple and fix the leaks? Today, I'm showing you how to buy a failing store and turn it into a high-value asset. Not every failing store is a gold mine, some are just sinking ships. You need to distinguish between market failure and operational failure. Market failure means nobody wants the product. Avoid these. Operational failure means the product is great, but the owner is bad. Look for stores with steady traffic but a terrible conversion rate. That's a website design fix. Look for stores with a great product but high ad costs. That's a marketing optimization fix. If the store has a customer family, an email list, and a working supplier, but the current owner is just burnt out, you've found your target. You're buying their years of hard work for pennies on the dollar because they've lost the energy to finish the race. Once you acquire the asset, you have to move fast. 1. The hole, patch. Most failing stores have a leaky bucket. Is it high shipping costs, a slow checkout, or 70% cart abandonment? Fix the technical errors first to stop the bleeding. 2. The margin boost. Renegotiate with the suppliers or increase the price. Even a 5% increase in margin can be the difference between a failing store and a profitable one. 3. The channel expansion. Most failing stores rely on just one ad platform. Introduce email marketing or SEO. Remember, every dollar spent on email brings back an average of $44. That's an ROI the previous owner likely ignored. Buying a failing store is high risk, high reward. If you miscalculate the due diligence, you're just buying a liability. That's where trend hijacking comes in. We specialize in finding these distressed gems. We do the forensic level audit to make sure the problems are actually fixable. Then our management team steps in to execute the turnaround. We take the broken store, rebuild the systems, scale the revenue, and position it for a massive exit. You provide the capital, we provide the repair shop. Ready to find your first turnaround project? Let's get to work.